Tagumsor National High School, Tagumsor, Trinidad, Bohol. This is Francisco E. Bayunas Jr., SST1. Welcome to my first activity grading period. Our topic for today is interjections. Learning competency. Use competency to convey meaning. Learning targets. We have identify interjections used in the sentence or poem. Number 2, rewrite interjections used in the sentence with proper exclamation point or comma. So we have the following references: internet source, Woods, G. Angles Grammar for Dummies, Marsico K. and Petalansek K. 2013. Interjections and Arbor, Cherry Lake Publishing. Concept notes. Our concept notes: an interjection is a word that shows emotion. It's not grammatically related to the rest of the sentence. Interjections are usually one or two words that come at the beginning of a sentence. They can show happiness, sadness, anger, surprise, or any other emotion. Interjections are punctuated with an exclamation point and comma. So you're going to use exclamation if the feeling is very strong, and use comma if the emotion is not strong. Okay, so we have examples. Our examples: number 1, aha, so you're the mysterious good Samaritan. So the bold aha with the exclamation point, and that is what we'll call as interjection. Number 2, hey, I think I know the answer. So we have the bold one is hey with the exclamation point, and that is an example of an interjection. Number 3, oh, I forgot to bring my book. Number 4, great, we can leave now. Number 5, yippee, we're going to the beach. And the last one, number 6, hooray, we have won the game. And that is the example, the interjections. And so we have, here are the basic kinds of interjection words and phrases. Number 1 is interjections for greeting. We have the definition is, this interjection are used to indicate emotion of warmth towards the other person when they meet. This include hello, hi, etc. For example, letter A, hey, hey, good to see you today. Hello, I am Jane. And the last one, hi, would you like to have a cup of coffee? Those are the following examples for the interjections for greeting. Ayan. We have interjections for joy, and that is number 2. The definition is that these interjections are used to indicate immediate emotion of happiness on a sudden event that occurred. So this includes hooray, wow, yippee. So for example, we have A, hooray, my team won the game. Letter B, wow, I passed the exam. Letter C, hooray, we've got another day off. And those are the examples for interjections for joy. Next, we have number 3. For number 3 interjections, we have interjections for approval and praise. So we have the definition. This interjection are used by the speaker when he expresses strong sense of approval and agreement on something that happened. So this include Bravo, brilliant, well done. So we have example. Well done, you got the job. He praised. Bravo, he made the goal. And the last one, excellent, you scored 99% in the exam. And that is interjection number 3. That is interjections for approval and praise. Our interjection number 4, we have interjections for surprise. We have the meaning. This interjection are used by the speaker when he expresses a strong sense of surprise on something that happened. This include, huh? Hey, oh, ah, eh, gosh, wow, wow. Example, we have, what? His mother died. His mother died. B, that sounds so disgusting. And that is interjections for surprise. And that was number 4. Next, we'll go to number 5. Interjections for grief or pain. These interjections are used by the speaker when he expresses a strong emotion of grief on something unfortunate that happened. This include alas, ah, oh, ouch. Example, alas, he's died. Alas, he's died. Ouch, I hurt my foot. Ah, the pain of injection. And that is interjections for grief or pain. And that was number 5. Proceed to number 6. We have our interjection number 6. Interjections for bidding farewell. This interjection are used by the speaker to bid farewell or say goodbye. This include bye, goodbye, farewell. Example, goodbye, we are leaving. Bye, I have to leave for now. Yeah, and that is interjections for bidding farewell. Next, we have the last one is the interjections for expressing doubts or hesitation. This interjection are used by the speaker when they are unsure and thinking of what to say next. So we have include oh, For example, I am not really sure what happened. Do you remember how you used to play this game? I think she has a question. So that is sounds like the speaker is in doubt or not sure, thinking of what to say next. Okay, so at this time, my dear students, seatbelt, for we are about to tackle our task number 1. Our task number 1, I'm gonna read to you. We're gonna read the poem entitled Medicine. Then select the lines with interjection and identify the basic kinds of interjection words or phrases used in the poem. We have Medicine by Sofia Pablo. Oh, medicine, the gossip thing to me. It doesn't taste like ice cream or sweet candy. It makes me cry. It makes me slouch. Number 4, when I swallow it too hard, I say ouch. Number 5, I can say no, but then my mama would say. Number 6, you listen to me. Number 7, or get sick and have it your way. And number 8, I tell her fine. Then she shouts, well, I never. She tells me I'm naughty and a little bit clever. Number 10, she makes she makes tuna casserole and puts them in it. And number 11, tell her, I know your scheme, mama. I won't eat a bit. Number 12, she pinches, scolds me, and starts to cry. Number 2, and then I start to say, oh my, oh my. Number 15, I comfort her and say, I'll do it, I'm in. And number 16, she jumps for joy and shouts. And number 17, now drink your medicine. Okay, and that's it, our task number 1. So we have the table line number. So we've started from line number 4 until 17. So that you are going to write the line number, yeah, and then interjection words slash phrases used in the poem. Entitled The Medicine by Sophia. Next, basic kinds of interjection used in the poem. So what are those basic kinds of interjection? Okay, that's it. And next, proceed. Task number 2. Our task number 2 is box the interjection used in the sentence. So we have here our challenge 1 to 10. Then the instruction is you are going to box the interjection. So you are going to identify those interjections. Then you are going to place a box. Next we have go to our task number 3 is rewrite the interjection used in the sentence with proper exclamation point or comma. Then, identify what basic kinds of interjection words, phrases in each item. Then, choose from pleasure, surprise, pain, disgust, slight shock or disappointment, grief or pity, relief, admiration, mistake, or excitement. The challenge for task number 3, rewrite the interjection used in the sentence. And then identify what basic kinds of interjection words or phrases in each item. Okay, next we have here 1 to 10. So we have here number 1, oh, what a lovely surprise. So you're going to rewrite. And then the last one is the kind of interjection. Oh no, the car won't start. Ouch. Oh, I just stepped on a pin. Oh, I hate mice. Oops, I've just split some coffee. Here, I've finished that easy at last. Yeppy, we're going to the beach. Wow, you look great in that dress. Ah, that feels good. Alas, she's dead now. That is our task number 3. Moving on to our task number 4. Choose the right interjection. So we have here directions. In the following sentences, choose the most appropriate interjection from the selection below and write it in the space provided. What is the direction? In the following sentences, choose the most appropriate interjection from the selection below and write it in the space provided. So you're going to choose wow, seriously, goodness, dang, yippee, incredible, bingo, giz, yay, yeah, darn. That is until 1 to 10. Okay, any questions so far to my dear students? If you have some questions, just go our first page until the last, and then try to analyze our topic. Try to internalize, okay, and try to read it again. Okay, so that's it for this morning, my dear students. I hope you learned something out from my topic for today. Okay, thank you so much. To God be the glory. Okay, before I go, I will gonna share to you this line. The doorstep to the temple of wisdom is the knowledge of our own ignorance. Okay, bye bye, my dear students. Thank you so much.